Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. It is Saturday morning, May 27th. This is all that's left of Buzz's Lighthouse Inn in North Naples, Florida on Vanderbilt Beach. Sad to see it go. They started the demolition process last Monday. They're down to the bottom floor now. So sad to see this legacy disappear. You can actually see the lighthouse over here on the right at Buzz's Lighthouse Restaurant. The restaurant is open. It's temporarily closed right now, but it is open for business. Just temporarily closed right now. So that's going to survive. They're not going to sell this property. They're going to expand the parking for the restaurant. So that's good news. Parking was always a problem for Buzz's. I just wanted to give you a quick little update. Let you see what's going on here. They were here for 45 years, this hotel, the Buzz's Lighthouse Inn. Sad to see it go. Hey, thanks for watching. Tally-ho, my friends. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Rob Stan. God bless.